Hey everybody, this is Jay Young with King Operating Corporation, and why we're going to talk about DSTs, 1031s, and why is today the best time to diversify your portfolio. Why should you diversify your portfolio, and why do a lot of people run away from oil and gas projects, and why should they look at ours? Why is ours different? So the big thing about our project is if you have an energy DST, let's talk about the bucket. What is a DST? What is a Larimer County Energy Fund DST 1031? That's our bucket. What goes in our bucket? We have the drilling rights for 20,000 acres. We have 20,000 acres that goes in our bucket. This allows us to have the vehicle to get a 1031 and to have a like-kind exchange. We have 20,000 acres. We're also going to value add, just like a real estate project, by drilling and completing up to 16 wells. Now, this is a $50 million project that we're going to deploy $50 million. And the $50 million will come into here. Our use of proceeds will be to lease up land to drill and complete 16 wells. After we do that, then we know how much oil is going to come out of the ground. We're not concerned about that. This field has been producing since 1923, almost 100 years this field has been producing. So this field it's only produced like 15% of the oil. It's got a long history. We have a long way to go in producing more oil in this field. So when we deploy $50 million, we're going to go out there and drill and complete wells. Now, what's it going to be worth at the end of next year, third quarter, fourth quarter of next year? I don't know that because I don't know what the price of oil is going to be. I don't know anybody here. We can speculate, and I wrote an article in Forbes that said I believe oil will be at $65 by the end of this year. Do I know for sure? No, I didn't tell them I guaranteed it. I just said that I feel like that with the disruption going on in the industry, with rig count, and with Saudi and Russia, that I felt like oil is going up at the end of the year. And the end of next year, it's going to go up. So I don't know what it's going to be. But I wanted to find out from our financial gurus, I wanted to say, hey, if we drill and complete these wells, how much oil is going to come out of the ground, and what's the value going to be at 40, 60, 80, $100 a barrel? Because I don't know which one of these oil is going, where the price of oil is going to be by the third quarter of next year. Do you? Which one do you like the best? Do you like 60? If you like 60 and we spend $50 million, this asset's going to be worth $150 million. If you like $100 a barrel and you think, hey, oil is going to be at 100, this asset right here is going to be worth $250 million by the end of next year. At 80, this is about 100, or about 198 million. This is 98 million here. But if you think that oil prices will be at $40 a barrel by the end of next year, this asset's going to be worth 98 million. Your DST is going to be worth 98 million. It's a good downside because I feel like the price is going to be at 60. Third quarter of next year, we can sell off enough of it for you to get your money back, or for us to split that DST into another investment, to do another investment at that time. So this is what a DST is, and this is the meaning of oil and gas. Why do most people lose in oil and gas? They don't exit. Why are we building up value over a year period and exiting? Because we want to exit. We want that value to increase so we can exit. We want to make it attractive enough for somebody to come in and say, hey, this asset's worth $250 million. We'll buy 40% of it for $100 million. Then the $100 million will go back to the investors here, and then they'll go do another investment. That's what we want to do, and that's what the value is. That's why we see a lot of good value today in today's market and what oil prices are doing now, and why you should diversify your DST. Don't do it all. Do half. Do a little bit of it. Do some of your 1031 into our product today. So look at 1031. Look at King Operating Corporation, J.R. Young, King Operating Corporation. Go on our website, call us at 214-420-3000 today. Thank you very much.